3 hours a night. 4 months. Level 5 Gundam.
5 levels.
20 hours, man. Level. Unicorn.
Of 240 parts.
2 hours at 450 degrees. Level diorama.
Near endless articulation.
4 days, no sleep. Level cold fucking cane. I mean Gunpla, level 4.
Oh hey, level 3 Gundam, 24 hours and counting. And my arms are really tired.
Southern California Gundam model competition. What's your level of commitment, you son of a bitch?
So how long have you worked on that?
About 4 hours?
4 hours? And you?
8 hours.
What level?
What the fuck's a level?
Well, you're not gonna ask me?